Hello, what is your name?
My name is Aileen Megas.
How old are you?
I'm 40 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids do you have?
One.
How old?
1 year and 5 months.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
7 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
In Philippines. 2 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
7 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Kuntong.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
650.
Okay, how many family member there?
3.
How many children?
1.
How old?
6 years old.
Okay, so so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the mornings, start 6 o'clock,
Uh-huh.
and then I prepare breakfast for them,
Mm-hmm.
and then I send her son in the school bus,
Mm-hmm.
and then after that, I go to the market in this afternoon,
Mm-hmm.
and then and after that I pick up her son, and then I prepare the dinner.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. So what time they eat?
Sometimes 7, sometimes 8.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
10.
10 o'clock.
10:30.
10:30. Okay, thank you so much.